Welcome to my review of Prosper, a leading peer-to-peer lending platform where individuals can either borrow money or lend to others. Prosper has been around for quite a while now, offering an alternative to traditional bank loans by connecting borrowers and investors. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my personal experience using the platform, highlight its features, and cover what you can expect when using Prosper. The website offers a simple and intuitive interface that is easy to navigate. You'll first land on the homepage where you can either start the process to apply for a loan or explore investment opportunities. As a borrower, the process starts with filling out some basic information like your credit score, loan amount, and desired term length. The platform then provides you with personalized loan offers, which are rated by risk and interest rates. Prosper uses a unique risk-based pricing model that allows borrowers to choose from a variety of loan offers. This system is designed to help you get the best rate based on your creditworthiness. Once you choose the right loan, you can complete the application and wait for approval, which typically takes a few days. On the investor side, Prosper allows individuals to invest in these loans, giving them the potential for return on investment. Investors can browse available loan listings and decide which ones to fund based on the borrower's credit profile and loan details. There are different ways to approach investing on Prosper, including manually selecting loans or using automated investing tools to help diversify your portfolio. Many useful links can be found in the description, where you'll find additional resources on how to make the most of Prosper. In terms of fees, Prosper charges both borrowers and lenders. Borrowers should be aware of the origination fees, which vary depending on the loan terms, and lenders may also incur fees related to servicing and managing their investments. It's important to read all terms carefully to understand the costs involved. Now, let's talk about customer service. I found Prosper support team to be helpful and responsive. Whether you're a borrower or investor, you can reach out via email or chat support if you run into any issues. The platform also provides helpful resources, including a detailed FAQ section to guide you through common concerns. Overall, my experience with Prosper was positive. The platform is transparent, easy to use, and offers a solid alternative to traditional bank loans. Whether you're looking to borrow money or explore investing opportunities, Prosper has a lot to offer. If you're new to peer-to-peer lending, I highly recommend taking the time to read up on all the terms and conditions before diving in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've used Prosper before or have any questions about the platform.